Welcome to How to Mechanic. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more content. So in this tutorial we are going to test the brake servo for vacuum leaks. This would be an easy test as we're not going to disconnect anything. Make sure the handbrake is on. Pump the pedal until it is firm and hold it for a couple of minutes. If there is a leak present in the hydraulics, the pedal would travel without the assistance of the servo. Start the engine while the pedal is pushed. The pedal should now travel as the vacuum increases. On some diesel cars, if too much pressure is applied to the brake pedal, it will build up enough energy and generate too much pressure in the brake system, and this can result in a longer travel on the brake pedal, which wouldn't be a problem, but it might trick you into thinking it might be a problem in the brake system. Thanks for watching.